Hello viewers, welcome to Travel Explore. Niagara Waterfalls. Niagara Falls is one of the biggest waterfall in the world. Location. Niagara Waterfall is an international boundary between the United States and Canada. This waterfall lies on the border between the New York in US and Ontario, Canada. Niagara Waterfall combined with three waterfalls that are Horseshoe Waterfall and also known as Canadian Waterfall. Second one, American Waterfall. Third, Bridal Veil Falls. Horseshoe Waterfall is under Canada country. American Waterfalls and Bridal Waterfalls are under US, that means United States. In this waterfalls, largest waterfall is Horseshoe Waterfall, that is in Canada side. What is the history of this waterfall? This waterfall is formed in 12,000 years ago. The fall's average is 160 feet. Length of the brick is 1060 feet. The word Niagara is derived from the Iroquois word Ongira, meaning the strait. The water that runs over the falls comes from the Great Lakes. How to reach? For Canadian Falls in Canada side, nearest airport is Niagara Falls International Airport. It is 40 kilometers from the waterfalls. For American Falls in New York, US side, nearest airport is Buffalo Airport. It is 33 kilometers from the waterfalls, even though most of the visitors go to Canada side waterfalls. What are the attractions in this waterfalls? Mainly three popular attractions, that is boat rides, below the falls, cave of the windows and journey. Behind the falls can have long waiting lines. Best for this waterfalls. Nature lovers, honeymoon couple and who likes to visit the waterfalls. Best time to visit. Actually, Niagara Falls is open 365 days in a year. Best time for visit Niagara Falls during May and September months. But most of the people visit in July and August months. Early morning or late afternoon is the best time for the visit. Entry fee. The parks are free for all, but they charge for attractions like boat ride, cave of the winds, made of the mist, journey behind the falls. They are also charged for parking for vehicle in during May to September months. If you like this video, click on like button, subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.